Hey everybody, and welcome back to Shackroon's Video Tutorials. Today, we're going to be taking a look at creating our own custom, well, we're not custom, we're putting potion effects onto our custom fitted, okay? That's all we're doing. It's nothing special, it's nothing fantastically awesome, but it's something. Alright, so I'm just getting my code up here. So I had to do a little bit of rooting around to figure out how this worked. I'm going to show you two different ways of doing this. Okay, cool. Okay, so and actually you should just do it the way I have it done anyway. You know. So first potion effect that you put on is you're going to put it on within your constructor here. So we're just going to type set. So I'm in the sample food class right now. So we're going to go set potion effect. Open parentheses. I'm going to go potion, and we're going to pick a potion. So I'm going to go jump. I'm going to do jump. And then so you go dot. So for the jump potion effect, then you go dot jump, and then you go dot ID. Okay. And then we got to give it some parameters. So we have to give it a duration of how long it's going to last for. For this one, we're going to say 5. I want to actually check something out here. So if we go into item food here, we go down to set potion effect. So set potion effect, set potion effect. Okay, so set potion effect. So we got this here. So we got so it gives us, so we got potion ID duration will be multiplied by 20. Okay. So whatever we put in this, it's going to be multiplied by 20. So if we put in, let's say 5, that's going to be whatever. So we're going to put in 5, and we'll see what that is in game. I actually don't know myself. And then Amplifier, which is like the level of the potion, I'm guessing, is what they mean by this. So for this, we're just going to go 1, because jump. And then the probability of it happening. So when you're using this one, you can either have it as a chance. You can have it either, it's going to take 1 out of 4. It's like 1 out of 4 times that you use the potion, it's actually going to work, or so on and so forth. We're just going to go 1.0f, so it works always, and that's it. So that's a float. That's all you need. So we're going to launch this, and we're going to try this out. Okay? Sound good? Okay, so we're launching this here, and we're going to get to using this. I'm gonna see how it goes. Okay, so let's just get this inventory stuff out of the way. There we go. Okay, so we got full health here, or full hunger. So I'm just gonna cover that in this video too as well, on how to make it like, let's say, like a golden apple. I think it is that you can eat, and like, even if you do or like a potion, you can like eat it without. Maybe I'll just make a custom potion tutorial. I'll do that. So adding potion effects, this is like for like a golden apple or something like that. So we got stuff here, so we're just gonna spawn in some zombies. We're gonna let them damage us, and then we're gonna kill them. And we are not gonna allow them to kill us. Now we're gonna have to regenerate, which is gonna use up our saturation and so on, and we'll just keep running around and killing stuff and jumping around and having fun like little kids on a playground. It's gonna be fantastic. Okay, so we lost a little bit. We can use this now. When we use this, we have jump boost for, okay, that was for 5 seconds. So it actually does not multiply by 20. So let's say we want to increase this. We can, let's go like 600. I'm not sure what 600 is going to do. I should just go, okay, so it's going to multiply by 20. So whatever you put in here, so let's say 5, that's 5 seconds. So let's go 60 seconds. So it's going to be a full minute, okay? And while we're at it, we're going to decrease our, for food, what it's going to give us to half a heart. Just so that it's not giving us too much hunger out of it, so we don't have to keep waiting to decrease our food bar, our hunger bar. So Log them back in here. So we gotta do that. We gotta do this shit again. So create some zombies and start killing them. Oh no, I'm dead. 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 Ah, okay. We're good. We're good. So just run around, you know. Same basic thing that we did before. Breaking down flowers and shit like a boss. Okay, so we lost some. So now if we eat one of our sample food, now you can see we got it for a minute. Okay, so there you go. That's pretty cool, I think. That's an easy way of creating a potion effect. So now we're gonna go do it another way. If you want to have more than one potion effect, you're gonna have to do this. So you can have your optional potion effect here if you want. There's also another way that you can do it. There's a function within the item food class called on food eaten. So we're gonna create this. We're gonna open this up here. So it's protected void on, no capitals, and then capital F on food and capital E on eaten. So on food eaten, I'm gonna go item, then parentheses, and then within those parentheses, item stack capital I and capital S, and then we're just gonna go item stack world and entity player, and we're just gonna go player. Okay, keep it simple. Control Shift Command Shift O to import item stack world and entity player, and now we're just gonna go player. Player dot add potion effect, and now we're gonna have to go new. So with it, so after you, so it's back up here for a second. So you can go player dot. We're gonna go add potion effect. So as soon as it pops up in there in the little thing, then press enter, and that's gonna give you the parentheses and stuff like that. So you end up with something like this. Now within those parentheses for the add potion effect, you're gonna go new space potion effect, then another set of parentheses. So you should have two sets at the other end here. So 1, 2. Okay, so you're within the second, and now we're just gonna go potion, just like we did above. Potion dot, let's do regeneration. Regeneration dot ID. The duration. So I'm gonna comment this first. So we got the potion effect, the duration, amplifier, and ambient. Okay, so I'll explain ambience. Ambience is you're only going to really use that for when you're putting on a potion effect onto like a beacon like thing, and you use ambient, but we're not going to be using that. It's a part of the function. We don't need to actually call it, but it's just so you know that it's there. So we're going to go potion effect dot regeneration dot ID, comma space, and then we're in the duration, which for this we're going to go 600, and then we're going to go comma space 4 for the amplifier. So I'm just gonna copy this. Actually, we gotta import potion effect. So just copy that line. I'm gonna put 2 more on. I'm gonna change the potions to fire resistance. Fire resistance.id, and then the other one is move speed. And then we're gonna give these all different times. So I'm gonna give fire resistance 1200. And I'm gonna give speed 1800, so we're just multiples of 600. I'm pretty sure 600 is 1 minute, I think, because this doesn't times it by 20, so we got to put in the actual ticks, I think. So I think it's 20 ticks per second. So there you go. All right, so we put those in, and we can just run our game, and we should be good to go. We should be getting 4 potion effects. Jump boost, we should just be regenerating health, and fire resistance and move speed. So I gotta move this one back up here, sorry. Okay, So right now we have jump boost. So I'm just gonna kill us here. Actually, no, because we already go down on food, which is perfect. Okay, so I'm just gonna run around here a little bit. Okay, so we got jump boost 2 right now. So what did we put on? I'm just gonna check this quickly. So we put amplifier of 1. So that gives us jump boost 2. So if we put 3, that would give us jump boost. If we put 2 on there, that would give us jump boost 3. So I think it's you're always gonna have level 1, and then there's the amplifier. So the amplifier is like take whatever the basic level is and times it by that much. So so since 2 times 1 is 2, putting in actually that makes no sense, or maybe that just adds it on. Maybe that makes a little bit more sense. Either way, so if you want 1, you just put in 0, and that should give you, that's no amplifier. And then if you put in 1, it's gonna give you 2. You put in 2, it's gonna give you 3. Put in 3, so 1 give you 2. 2 gives you 3. 3 gives you 4, and so on. So we've lost some hunger, and we need to regenerate some health and stuff. So we're gonna eat some food, and now we got full regeneration of health, fire resistance for a minute, and speed as well, so we can run really fast. Okay, so that's fantastic. So isn't that cool? Isn't that that's just the cat's pajamas? There you go. Potion effects, everybody, on your custom food item. You can put that. I'm pretty sure you can put that on any. Well, this way only works on food, so it depends on the item that you're creating. So you could technically create a potion, but we'd have to do a little bit more configuring with the code is to make that work. So I'm going to do that in another video, just to kind of break it up a little bit, so because somebody may not want all of it, and then they have to search through it and find which is what, and it's just a pain in the ass. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Like this video if it helps you, or if you want to see more of this stuff. And have a great day, great afternoon, great weekend, great week, great night, wherever you are in the world. Thanks for watching. I really do appreciate all the support that I'm getting with subscriptions and comments and stuff like that. It's great. I see this stuff rolling in all the time throughout the day, new subscriptions and comments and things like that, and it's fantastic. I love it. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video.